picnic time. So what are we having? Noodles. Noodle.
We got 4 cup noodles for 4 of us. Other 2 left early. But next time they'll join.
Steak.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Looks so good. How is it?
Very good.
Very good.
I taste shrimp. I taste steak.
Steak.
And I taste spicy noodle.
Yeah. So
And
good.
occasionally, the tree drops a pine needle in here. I love it.
More
Thank
flavor.
you, tree.